Good morning, students. Exercise 12.1, third problem we are going to see now. 5 mangoes and 4 apples are in a box. If 2 fruits are chosen at random, find the probability that in the first subdivision, one is a mango and the another is an apple. Second one, both are of the same variety. So, I am going to explain this problem in two methods. So, we'll go for the first method. You see that total number of fruits. So, how many fruits are involved in this problem? 5 mangoes and 4 apples. So, totally 9 fruits. Okay. So, number of fruits chosen. So, out of 9 fruits, you have to choose how many fruits you have to choose. Here it is given if 2 fruits are chosen at random. So, we have to choose 2 fruits. Okay. So, the number of fruits chosen is 2. Okay. So, when you are choosing the 2 fruits, in the first subdivision, how it should be? One is a mango and the other is an apple. Okay. So, we are going to find here it is asked to find the probability. So, what is the chance that you have the 2 fruits chosen that will be is a mango and the another one is an apple. So, we are going to find the probability of getting 1 mango and 1 apple. So, the possibility the first fruit may be mango, the second one is an apple, or another possibility, the first fruit is an apple and the second fruit is a mango. There are 2 possibilities. So, here I am going to find probability of getting mango first and then apple plus probability of apple or apple and mango. So, here we can write probability of M. What is the probability of getting mango? You see totally how many fruits? It is 9 fruits. Okay, how many mangoes are there? 5 mangoes. So, therefore, the possibility is 5 by 9. Okay, so when you go for the second fruit, so the total number, so already 1 mango is taken from 9 fruits. So, 1 mango is taken from 9 fruits means how much will remain? Now you are having only 8 fruits. So, this 8 fruits, how it should be? 4 mango and 4 apple. Now, the second fruit, what you have written here, it's an apple. So, therefore, from 4 apples, you have to take 1. So, therefore, the probability is 4 by 8. This is one case. So, or. So, that's why here we have written plus. How the second possibility is? First one is an apple and the second one is a mango. But what is the probability of getting apple first? How many apples are there? 4 apples. How many total fruits? It's 9. So, the possibility is 4 by 9. After taking 1 apple, you will have the total number of fruits is 8. From that 8 fruits, you have to choose 1 mango. So, how many mangoes will be there? So, 5 mangoes. So, therefore, your probability is 5 by 8. If you calculate, it is and the 4 and the 8 getting cancelled. So, in the denominator, you will have 2. So, 5 by 9 into 2 plus here in the same way this 4 and 8 getting cancelled. So, here also you will have 5 divided by 9 into 2. So, 5 by 18 plus 5 by 18, that is equal to 10 by 18. If you cancel with 2, that is 5 by 18. Okay, coming to the second subdivision, what is asked? Both are of the same variety. So, we have to find the probability that both fruits are of the same variety. That means how to take? We have to take 2 mangoes as well or we have to take 2 apples. Either one possibility will come. So, first case, if you are taking the 2 fruits, if you are choosing the 2 fruits or mangoes means, you see that totally how many fruits you are having? 9. So, out of 9, you will have 5 mangoes and 4 apple, isn't it? 5 mangoes and 4 apple. So, here we are trying the first case. Both are mango. So, we are going to take first mango. That is, out of 9, we have to choose 1 mango. So, the possibility is 5 by 9. After taking 1 fruit, the remaining fruits is 8. So the 8 la, how many mangoes? 4 mangoes and 4 apple, because we have taken 1 mango already. So you will have now 4 mangoes only. So from this 8 fruit, you have to take 1 mango again. So therefore the possibility is 4 by 8. Okay, coming to next case. So we are going to choose 2 apples. Okay, so starting from the first one. So how many apples are there? 4 apples out of 9 fruits. So the possibility is 4 by 9. After taking 1 apple, now you have 8. Total fruits is 8. In that, 5 mangoes, because we didn't take mango in this case, only we have taken apple. From 4 apples, 1 apple is taken. So the remaining apple is what? 3 apples. Okay, so now what is the possibility of getting 1 apple out of 8 fruits? That is 3 by 8. Here we have written 3 by 8. So when you calculate, the 4 and 8 getting cancelled, so it is 5 divided by 9 into 2, plus here this 4 and 8 getting cancelled. So here and 3, 9, that also we can cancel. Here I didn't cancel. So 3 divided by 9 into 2. So the LCM is 18. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 18. So if you cancel with 2, you will get the answer as 4 by 9. So this is one case. We are calculating one fruit after the other. Okay, so the second method, using combination, we can do the problem. So it will be in the first volume. So you will learn permutation combinations. In that we are going to take only the combination now. Combination means it's a selection. What is combination? It is selection. Combination means it is nothing but the selection. You see, now you are having in that set A, you will have 3 elements A, B, C. Now what you have to do? You have to take 2 letters at a time. How the selection will be done? So we have to take 2 letters at a time. So I can go for first, I can select A and B. Then or otherwise I can go for A and C. Next B, C. Okay, second and third. If you third and the first, you will get this combination. So therefore, in how many ways it can be done? 3 ways it can be done. Okay, so see, number of ways of, or number of combination of 3 things. You have how many letters here you are having? 3 letters. So that's why I have mentioned 3 things. Taken 2 at a time. Taken 2 at a time. So combination means what is it? It's a selection. So 3 things are there. You have to take 2 things at a time. So it can be done. It can be written as 3C2. Total number is 3. 3 letters are there. You have to choose 2 letters at a time. So therefore it can be done in how many ways? 3C2. Okay. The 3C2, how to calculate means it is nothing but 3, starting from 3, by reducing 1, you have to write 2 places. So see, first one is 3, starting from 3, by reducing 1, how many letters you have to write? 3. You have to fill up 2 places. Okay, so therefore 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. In this way only you have to evaluate the combination. So therefore in the 2 getting cancelled, your answer is 3. So we got what are they? Okay, if for example, so the number of ways of, or number of combination. So number of combination of n things taken or at a time. How it will be denoted? It is NCR. Okay, so total number of things is n, and out of n thing you have to take r things at a time. So it can be done. It is NCR. R. Okay, you see the calculation for 5, the combination. So suppose if you are having 5C0. So 5C0 means what? 5 things totally. So you are not going to take anything. So therefore 5C0 is 1. Okay, 5C0 is 1. 5C1. So out of 5 things, you are going to select one thing at a time. How many ways it can be done? It is 5 ways. Why 5? So starting from 5, by reducing 1, how many places you have to write? 1 place. So 1 place, I will have 5. So 5C2. How it will be done? 5C2. It is 5, starting from 5, by reducing 1, how many places you have to fill? 2 places. So 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. This is the calculation of 5C2 or NCR like this. Suppose if you are having 5C3, how you can calculate 5C3? Starting from 5, how many places you have to fill up? 3 places. The first place you will have 5. The second place, by reducing 1 from 5, that is 4. How many places you have to fill? 3 places. So 5, 4, next one more place, that is 3. By what? You have to write 3 factorial. That is 3 factorial means it's a product of first 3 natural numbers. That is 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So see now 5C4 if we have. So starting from 5. So how many places you have to fill up? 4 places by reducing 1. So first place 5. In the second place you will have 4. In the third place you will have 3. And the fourth place you will have 2. Divided by, what do you have to write? 4 factorial. 4 factorial means it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is the evaluation of combination. You see that 5C5. So you can write, what you can write? Starting from 5 places you can fill. Okay, in this way also you can write. But 5C5 means what? 5 things is there. You have to select all the things at a time. So that means it can be done in one way. See, here three letters are there. You have to select all the 3 letters means A, B, C. You will have only one selection. Okay, so therefore 5C0 is 1 and 5C5 also 1. The remaining you have to do the calculation like this. So we will elaborately see this combination in the first volume. Okay, now in probability I'll take the calculation alone. You see that the using combination method, it is easily calculate the first problem. Okay, you see now here first 5 mangoes and 4 apples. Okay, so therefore the total number of fruits is 9. So the out of 9 fruits, how many fruits you have to take? You have to take 2. Okay, so therefore your sample space, the elements in the sample spaces, that is n of s, is 9C2. What is 9C2? Totally 9 fruits are there. You have to take 2 fruits at a time. So it can be done in 9C2 ways. Okay, so and next you see the first subdivision. What is asked? One is a mango and another is an apple. Okay, so first I have denote, let A be the event of getting 1 mango and 1 apple. Now I am going to write n of A. You see that 9 fruits totally, isn't it? 9 fruits. Idhila how many? 5 mangoes and 4 apple, isn't it? So here what we want? 1 mango and 1 apple. And means you have to use multiplication. Okay, so therefore you see 5 mangoes. From 5 mangoes you have to select 1 mango. So it can be done at 5C1. You want apple also, so that's why into. Okay, here how many apples? 4 apples. From 4 apples you have to choose 1 apple. So therefore 4C1. Next, what is asked? Probability is asked. So P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. So N of A we have written here 5C1 into 4C1 divided by, what is N of S? 9C2. We have to do the calculation. 5C1. So 5C1 means one place you have to fill up, that is 5. Here 4C1 is 4. 9C2 how to write? Starting from 9, how many places you have to write? 2 places by reducing 1 from 9. So first one is 9, the second one is 8 divided by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial means it is 1 into 2. Okay, so in the 2 and 8 getting cancelled. So in the new here you will have 4, this 4 and this 4 getting cancelled. So the answer is 5 by 9. Coming to the second case, what is that second subdivision? Both are of the same variety. Both are of the same variety. So therefore, let B be the even that both fruits are of the same variety. So we have to find out n of B. Okay, so it can be done in two cases. First case, the two fruits are mango means, you see, 9 fruits. Here 5 mangoes and 4 apples, isn't it? So we are going to, in the first case, we are going to take only 2 mangoes. So 5 mangoes are there. From that you have to choose 2 mangoes. So it can be done in 5C2. At the same time, we are not going to select any apple. So therefore into 4C0. Okay, or otherwise, or, so that's why here I have written plus. So both is needed, you have to do the multiplication. Any one, either or, when it comes, you have to use plus. Okay, so the second case, what it is? No mango, but you will have only 2 apples. No mango means on the 5 mangoes, from 5 mangoes we are not selecting anything. So it can be done in 5C0. At the same time, we need 2 apples. So out of 4 apples, you have to select 2 apples. So 5C0 into 4C2. We have to do the calculation. 5C2. Starting from 5, 2 places you have to fill up by reducing 1. So how it will be done? 5 into 4 divided by, here what the number here you are having? 2. So it is 1 into 2 plus here you are having into 4C0 is 1. So therefore into 1. So I didn't write. So here you are having plus. So plus is written. 5C0 is what? It is 1. Okay, into 4C2 how to evaluate? Starting from 4. How many places you have to fill up? 2 places. So how it will be done? By reducing 1 from 4. So first place is 4. The second place is 3. Divided by what here you are having? It is 2. So 2 factorial means 1 into 2. So see this 2 and 4 getting cancelled. So 5 into 2. Here also this 4 and 2 getting cancelled. So 2 into 3. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2 3s are 6. So you will get 16. Okay. So what is asked? Probability is asked. So P of B is equal to N of B by N of S. N of B is what? 16. N of S is 9C2. Okay. But 16 divided by 9C2, how you can write? So starting from 9, how many places you have to write? 2 places. So 9 into 8 divided by 1 into 2. So this 2 and 4, 8 getting cancelled. So here you will have 4. So this 4, 16 if we cancel, it is 4 by 9. So we got both the answers. So the combination means the calculation will be easily done. Okay, so we'll come to the problem number 7. So a bag contains 7 red and 4 black balls. 7 red and 4 black balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. Find the probability that all are red and 1 red and 2 black. So here in the probability, if you are choosing a single ball, it is easy for us to calculate directly. But 3 balls, 4 balls has to be chosen. It is difficult to keep in your mind. What is the first ball? What is the second ball? Or what is the third ball? How many total balls are there? So for that, if the number of balls or number of fruit chosen that is more, means we have to use the combination method. That will help you to do the calculation easily. Okay, so you see, you have to understand the problem. Totally how many balls are in the ball? In the bag, 7 red and 4 black balls. So therefore total number of balls is 11. Okay, so out of 11 balls, you have to choose how many balls? 3 balls at random. So what is N of S? Out of 11 balls, you have to choose 3 balls at a time. So it can be done in 11C3. Selection, or you have to choose means you can use combination. Okay, so here first subdivision, all are red is given. So let A be the event of getting all the 3 balls are red. Only we are choosing 3 balls. So all the 3 balls are red. Okay, so what is N of A? You see 11 balls totally, isn't it? Idhila 7 red and 4 black. So now all the 3 balls are red. So out of 7 red balls, you are going to choose 3 red balls. So it will be done 7C3. Okay, so at the same time we are not choosing the black ball, because what is the condition? All the 3 balls are red. We don't want the black balls. So therefore it can be into 4C0. So P of A, how it will be done? N of A by N of S. Your N of A is 7C3 into 4C0. N of S is 11C3. 7C3, how to calculate? So starting number is 7. How many places we have to fill up? 3 places by reducing 1, okay, from the previous number. So 7, 6, 5. So 3 places fill, divided by, so 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into, what is 4C0? That is 1. Okay, divided by 11C3. So 11C3, how you can write? Starting from 11 by reducing 1 from the previous number. How many places you have to fill up? 3 places. So 1 is 11, the second place you will have 10, the next place is 9, divided by 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? That is 1 into 2 into 3. This 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 getting cancelled. 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 11 into 10 into 9. See the calculation, the 5, 10 getting cancelled. So therefore here you will, in the denominator, you will have 2, 11 into 2 into 9. The 6 and 9 if you cancel, you will have 2 and 3. So therefore if you calculate, it is 7 by 33. Okay, coming to the second subdivision. What is asked? It's a 1 red and 2 black balls. So 3 balls la 1 ball is red, another 2 ball is black balls. So first you could denote, let B be the event of getting 1 red and 2 black balls. So see that totally how much? 11 balls. Out of 11 balls, 7 red ball and 4 black balls. Now what is needed? 1 red ball. So we have to choose 1 red ball from 7 red balls. So how it will be done? Totally 7 red balls. You have to select 1 red ball. So it can be done in 7C1 ways. Okay. At the same time, 1 red ball and, so and means both are needed. So you have to use multiplication. 2 black balls. So the 2 black balls has to be selected from 4 black balls. So total number of black balls is 4. From that you have to select 2 at a time. So it can be done in 4C2. So P of B is equal to N of B by N of S. So N of B is 7C1 into 4C2 divided by 11C3. N of S is 11C3. So you see we have to do the calculation. 7C1 means what? Only 7. 4C2, how to calculate? Starting from 4. How many places you have to fill up? 2. So 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial 1 into 2. 11C3 is 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 3 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3. So see now this 1 2 and here 1 2 getting cancelled. This 3 and 9 if you cancel, here you will have 3. So therefore 7 into 4 into 3 divided by 11 into 10 into 3. 3 getting cancelled, and the 4 and 10 if you cancel, it is 2 by 5. So totally 14 by 55. So we'll come to problem number 9. A cricket club has 16 members, of whom only 5 can bowl. What is the probability that in a team of 11 members, at least 3 bowlers are selected? See, first you have to understand the problem. Or cricket club la total members on the 16. The 16 members la 5 members can bowl. So bowlers வந்து 5. அப்போ batsman how much in the out of 16 5 bowlers means 11 batsman is there. Okay, so that's why I have written batsman 11 and bowlers 5. So here I have written the total number of batsmen and bowlers. Okay, so what is the probability? We have to find what is the probability. So probability we have to find. In a team of 11 members, that means what? In the 16 members, we have to form a team having 11 members. The team 11 members select with the condition that at least, this word is very very important, at least 3 bowlers are selected. And the 11 members 3 bowlers, at least 3 bowlers are selected. So at least 3 bowlers we can have 3 bowlers, 4 bowlers, 5 bowlers. So it is, you have to use a symbol greater than or equal to. So at least varumbodhu greater than or equal to. So at least 3 bowlers means it is greater than or equal to 3. So greater than or equal to 3 means 3 bowlers, 4 bowlers, 5 bowlers and 6 bowlers can come. Okay, so we'll go for in 3 cases. Okay, you see now, first the condition is given for the bowlers, isn't it? So total number of bowlers in the team in the total members is 5. So 5 bowlers. Okay, so at least 3 bowlers we have to select. So I'll start from 3. If I select 3 bowlers, how many batsmen I have to take? 8 batsmen. Why? So we have to select a team of 11 members only. So 3 bowlers if I select, so I have to select how many batsmen? 8 batsmen. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, and you see that at least 3 bowlers means you can have 4 bowlers also. So if I select 4 bowlers, I have to select 7 batsmen. Okay, if I select 5 bowlers means I have to select 6 batsmen. Okay, can we have select 6 bowlers? No, because the total 16 members how many members can bowl? Only 5 members. So therefore, so we can do it in 3 cases. Okay, see how many ways it can be, how many ways we can select it, that only I have written here. See, go for 8 batsmen has to be selected from 11 batsmen, isn't it? So it can be done in 11C8. Why I am writing into? So batsmen and bowlers are needed for a team, that is 11 members is needed. So 8 batsmen I have selected from 11 batsmen. So 11C8 into, so bowlers also needed. This 3 bowlers has to be selected from 5 bowlers. So it is 5C3. So the first case is over. This is the first case. We can select in this way 11 members. And otherwise, next, if you select 4 bowlers means we have to select how many batsmen? 7 batsmen. Okay, so therefore the 7 batsmen has to be selected from 11 batsmen. So therefore 11C7 into 4 bowlers has to be selected from 5 bowlers. So it is 5C4. Okay, this is the second case. Or we can go for the third case. How we can done? So 6 batsmen has to be selected from 11 batsmen. So it can be done in 11C6 into 5C5. So all the 5 bowlers we can select. So into 5C5. So number of ways in this 3 cases we can do the selection. Okay, so here let A be the event that at least 3 bowlers are selected. So we can go for N of A is, we can go in the first case or in the second case or third case. So R ndradhanala here I have written plus. Okay, so first case 11C8 into 5C3 plus 11C7 into 5C4 plus 11C6 into 5C5. So in the combination, you see that you will have you will have one formula, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Okay, N is here, N is a total number. Here how much we are selecting, it is written here. So NCR is equal to NCN minus R. You will have one formula. So you see that 5C4 can be written as 5C 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is what? 1. Both the combinations are same. 5C4 ku enna answer irukudho adhe answer da 5C1. So therefore this R is very close to N, means you can use this formula. So here instead of finding 11C8, it can be done in 11C11 minus 8. What is 11 minus 8? That is 3. Okay, so it is easy for us to do the calculation. And 5C3 can be written as 5C5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, 5C2. In the same way here 11C7 can be written as 11C4 into 5C4 is 5C1 plus 11C6 is 11C5 into 5C5, you know that answer, it is 1. So we have to do the calculation. 11C3 is written here. How it will be written? 11C3, 11 into 10 into 9. 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Next 5C2. So 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. In the same way, the calculation is done and you have to do the multiplication. You are getting N of A is equal to 3762. P of A, what is N of A by N of S? So 3762. What is N of S? Total members 16. So from that, how many members you have to select? 11 members. So it can be done in 16C11. So again, if you use the formula 16C, 16 minus 11, that is 5. Okay, so 16C5. So starting from 16, how many places you have to write? 5 places. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. 5 places I have filled, divided by 5 factorial. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so see now, if you cancel, if 5 3s are 15, so 15 is cancelled here, and here this so 4 into 2 is 8. 8 is cancelled with 16, means here you will have 2. And 3 and 15 is getting cancelled. So here you will have 5. So this 5 and 5 getting cancelled. So here you should not have 5. So therefore the answer is 3762 divided by 4368. If you cancel with 6, you will get 627 divided by 728. Thank you, students.